Alright, we have an SVA. Just got issued from the SPC.
400. Here is the regional weather. Sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon.
Here it is. It's on KZZ31. Alright. Let's go.
This watch includes the following counties: Fairfield.
Alright.
And the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington, Morris, Passaic,
KZZ31 got it.
Sussex, Union, and Warren. And the following counties:
Let's go.
Orange,
Yep, I'm in it.
and the following counties: Queens, Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Franklin, and Wayne. And the following remember a severe
Let's go.
Favorable for the development of severe weather, including severe thunderstorm watch number 484 has been issued from the following counties in New Jersey.
WXM60
The Union has been issued at 10 p.m.
WXL39 as well.
in New Jersey. Here is Northampton, Fuel altitude until 10 p.m. for the following
Alright, let's
counties
go.
in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Orange,
Let's go.
Rockland, and Northern, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe, Northampton, Pike, and Wayne.
Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tonight, west to southwest winds 5 to 15
Here is
knots.
the regional weather forecast.
Seas 3 to 5 feet.